Imagine a vending machine that not only dispenses your favorite snack instantly when you insert a coin, but also automatically verifies your payment, checks the inventory, and even refunds you if something goes wrong, all without any human intervention. Now imagine that instead of a vending machine, this system is handling complex agreements like renting an apartment, executing a financial trade, or even managing insurance claims. Welcome to the world of smart contracts, where automated, self-executing agreements are transforming how we interact with digital services. Welcome to EduTube, where we simplify complex blockchain concepts for everyone. Today, we're diving into how smart contracts work with examples. The 18th episode in our course on smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. In our everyday lives, we encounter contracts all the time, whether it's agreeing to terms when signing up for a service or entering a lease. But traditional contracts can be slow, error-prone, and require a lot of paperwork. Smart contracts, built on blockchain technology, change all that by automating and enforcing agreements without intermediaries. In this video, we'll explain what smart contracts are, how they work step by step, and why they are poised to revolutionize many industries. Our goal is to break down these ideas into simple, relatable examples, so that even if you're new to blockchain, you can understand and appreciate the power of smart contracts. Let's begin by understanding what a smart contract is. In its simplest form, a smart contract is a self-executing computer program stored on a blockchain that automatically enforces the terms of an agreement when certain conditions are met. Think of it as a digital vending machine. You input a coin, or, in this case, meet a condition, and the machine automatically dispenses the product without any human oversight. Step 1. The foundation, blockchain technology. Before we dive into smart contracts, it's important to understand the underlying technology. Blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions in immutable blocks. Because each block is linked to the previous one, the entire history of transactions is secure and cannot be altered. This reliability and transparency are what make smart contracts possible. When a smart contract is deployed on a blockchain, its code and terms are visible to all participants, ensuring that everyone can trust the execution of the contract. Step 2. Writing the smart contract. Smart contracts are written in programming languages like Solidity, for Ethereum, or other domain-specific languages. The contract contains if-then statements that dictate what happens when specific conditions are met. For example, a simple smart contract for a crowdfunding campaign might say, if the total contributions reach $10,000 by the deadline, then release the funds to the project creator. Otherwise, refund the contributors. This code is then deployed to the blockchain, where it becomes a part of the decentralized ledger. Step 3. Triggering the contract. Once deployed, smart contracts wait for the predetermined conditions to be met. Let's consider a daily life example. Imagine renting a car. With a smart contract, the renter's payment and the car's availability are both recorded on the blockchain. When the renter sends the payment, the smart contract automatically checks if the payment meets the required amount and if the car is available. If everything is in order, the contract executes by unlocking the car for a predetermined time period. If not, the payment is either refunded or held until conditions are resolved. This automation eliminates the need for middlemen, reducing delays and potential disputes. Step 4. Execution and immutable outcomes. One of the most powerful aspects of smart contracts is that they execute automatically without further human intervention. Once the conditions are met, the contract's terms are enforced immediately. Because the contract code is stored on the blockchain, it cannot be changed. This immutability means that once you agree to the terms of a smart contract, you can be confident that the agreement will be honored exactly as written. For example, in a supply chain scenario, a smart contract can automatically release payments to suppliers as soon as goods are delivered and verified. This not only speeds up the process, but also ensures that all parties receive fair treatment without the possibility of manipulation. Step 5. Real-world applications and daily life examples. Let's look at some real-world applications to see how smart contracts are making a difference. Consider the world of insurance. Traditional insurance claims can take weeks or months to process, with lots of paperwork and manual verification. With smart contracts, when a predefined event occurs, such as a flight delay or a natural disaster, the smart contract automatically triggers the payout to the insured party, providing quick and fair compensation. Another everyday example is in online marketplaces. When you buy an item, a smart contract can hold your payment in escrow until you confirm receipt of the product in satisfactory condition. Only then is the payment released to the seller. This eliminates the risk of fraud for both buyers and sellers, as the entire process is automated and transparent. Imagine also a scenario where you want to subscribe to a streaming service. Instead of entering credit card details and worrying about recurring billing, a smart contract can automatically charge you only when new content is added, or cancel the subscription without any hassle if you choose to opt out. This creates a seamless user experience while ensuring that the terms of service are clear and automatically enforced. Step 6. Benefits and challenges. Smart contracts offer numerous benefits: increased efficiency, reduced costs, enhanced transparency, and fewer intermediaries. However, like any technology, they are not without challenges. Bugs in the code can lead to unintended outcomes, and because the contracts are immutable, mistakes can be hard to fix once deployed. That's why rigorous testing and security audits are essential before launching a smart contract. As the technology matures, developers and legal experts are working together to create frameworks that ensure smart contracts are both reliable and legally enforceable. In summary, smart contracts are revolutionizing how we create and enforce agreements by automating processes, reducing reliance on intermediaries, and providing immutable, transparent outcomes. They are already transforming industries such as finance, insurance, supply chain management, and online marketplaces. At EduTube, we believe that understanding these innovations is crucial to navigating the future of technology. Thank you for watching this video on how smart contracts work with examples. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of blockchain technology and its transformative applications. Your journey into the world of smart contracts starts here. Empower yourself with knowledge and embrace the future of digital agreements.